Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In the previous video, we had discussed about phylum Annelida. In this video, we are going to discuss about phylum Arthropoda. Phylum Arthropoda, the word comes from two words, arthro and poda. Arthro means joint and poda means legs. So these animals usually have joint appendages. That is why they are placed under phylum Arthropoda. Talking about their general characteristics, they have three germ layers, that is, they are triploblastic. They have bilateral symmetry. They have a schizocoelom type of eucoelom. They are eucoelomates. There is organ system level of organization. They have a tube within tube body plan. With two openings. One acts as mouth and the other opening acts as anus. Now, phylum Arthropoda, it is the largest phylum. Why? Due to the presence of class Insecta. Which is the largest class. Class Insecta being the largest class and it being a part of phylum Arthropoda makes phylum Arthropoda the largest animal phylum. Talking about their special characteristics, arthropods have a chitinous exoskeleton, that is chitinous exoskeleton, which is made up of chitin, which is hard, and therefore it is very difficult to destroy this exoskeleton. Arthropods have a body cavity filled with blood, that is, they have an open type of vascular system, and the body cavity is known as hemocoel. In which blood is freely present and there are no blood vessels. Digestive tract is complete, that is, there is a mouth and there is an anus. There are two openings. These are protostomic. Protostomic means that mouth develops first and anus develops later on. Circulatory system is of open type. There are no blood vessels and the blood is freely present inside the body cavity known as hemocoel. Respiratory organs may be book gills, which are found in aquatic arthropods, or they may be book lungs or tracheal system, found in terrestrial arthropods. Excretion and osmoregulation usually is done by green glands, which are also known as antennary glands, or it may be done by Malpighian tubules, Then nervous system is annelid-like. Nervous system of arthropods resembles the nervous system of annelids. Sensory organs are present, which are mainly antennae, mosaic eyes, or also known as compound eyes. Compound eyes means that a single eye is made up of a number of units. For example, this is a unit, this is a unit, this is a unit. So these units will make up the eye, which is known as a compound eye, and stetocyst for balancing. Now body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. Body is usually found divided into three parts. There is a head, there is a thorax, and there will be an abdomen. Head, thorax and abdomen. Talking about reproduction in arthropods, reproduction is generally Sexual reproduction is sexual reproduction, and they are mostly dioecious. Which means they are unisexual. Male and female reproductive parts are present in different organisms. They lay eggs, therefore they are oviparous, that is, they lay eggs. And development is indirect, that is, there is a larval stage present which does not resemble the adult. So reproduction is sexual, they are dioecious or unisexual, oviparous, they lay eggs, and development is indirect, that is, there is a presence of larval. Now, arthropods are divided into the following classes. First, we have class Crustacea. The examples include Paleomon, which is also known as prawn, and it is commonly a seafood which is eaten. There is Palinurus, which is also known as lobster. It is also a seafood that is eaten. We have Daphnia, which are also known as water flea, Cyclops, and Limulus. Limulus is also known as king crab, and Limulus, it is a living fossil. What are living fossils? Living fossils refer to those organisms whose structure have not evolved after a very long period of time. If you compare a Limulus 10,000 years ago and the Limulus we currently see, you will not find any significant changes in their body design or body functioning. That is, they have not evolved very much. Next, we have Spongiola. Spongiola, it lives inside Euplectella. Euplectella, if you remember, it is also known as Venus flower basket. So Spongiola is present inside Euplectella. In class Hexapoda or class Insecta, there are 3 segments of thorax with 3 pairs legs and 2 pairs of wings. There are 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings. Class Insecta, it is the largest class. Of animal kingdom. Examples, we have silverfish, usually found in books, locust, butterflies. Locust, it is a gregarious pest, that is, it affects crops adversely. It attacks crops and destroys them completely. We have cockroach, which is known as Periplaneta americana. The structure of cockroach we will discuss in detail in further classes. Then we have termites. Termites, the scientific name is Microtermes. They form the biggest known colonies. In the animal kingdom is formed by termites. In insects, excretion is usually through Malpighian tubules, and mode of excretion is mainly uricotelic. That is, they excrete out uric acid. The study of insects is known as entomology. In class Arachnida, there are no antennae, and respiratory organs are book lungs. are present for respiration. Examples, we have scorpion, the scientific name being Palamnius, and we have spider, the scientific name being Arania. They have four pairs of legs, so in total of 8 legs. Now there are certain organisms which we need to know. These include, first of all, peripatus. Peripatus, this is the connecting link between annelids and arthropods. This is the connecting link between annelids and arthropods. Then we have centipedes, which is known as Scolopendra, and we have millipede, which is known as Julius. Centipede and millipede, you may be asked in a question about their scientific name, and peripatus, you can get a question on peripatus, that it is a connecting link between annelids and arthropods. Now with this, we are finished with phylum Arthropoda. See you in next video.